Very interesting and a very simple recipe with the tortilla, which is going to be with spinach and a tofu wrap. And we're going to just make a twist is with how we fold the tortilla. And usually we like to have sandwiches, which is with bread and too much of emulsifiers, and we can avoid that with making the tortillas very simply at just home. Let's get started. And now you see my steamer? We do not need to boil our vegetables because when we boil it, we throw away all the nutrients in the water. So I use the steamer, that's my favorite. And the stock, I usually keep the stock for soups and to use into the dough or gravy. Even that water, I don't need to throw it, right? Now when you see that I am sauteing the vegetables, you can use whichever vegetables you want. I like to use colorful ones because that's very nutritious and we need to eat colorful food. But did you see that I didn't use a drop of oil? Yes, we don't need. The minute you feel that it's getting stuck without the oil in the pan, you can add a little bit of water and salt, which will release water too. And now to make the dough, can we just use different kind of grains in our rotis, in the regular rotis which we make, whether we make the gluten-free one or with the wheat one. This is the best way we can serve the greens to our family and loved ones. Now you see that I have used oil, but just remember that this oil is for the tawa, it's not for my roti because the roti will get stuck there. So just grease the tawa, and that's the magic what I do. Use no oil for my food, but yes, when I use cast iron or stainless steel one, I need to use a little bit of oil because I don't like to use the non-stick pans. This is the vegan cheese, which is so simple. The recipe is in the caption. If you can just see, I've written down the whole caption and you can really enjoy. Amazing. Just serve it with a lot of love. Here the recipe is ready and simple, and just serve it with green chutney. Now, what is the other recipe would you like to know? Let me know, and I hope you guys enjoy this recipe.